Fine-tuning EfficientNet for image classification explained. Dive into the art of adapting EfficientNet models for precise image classification. Learn to enhance accuracy while maintaining computational efficiency. Welcome to our channel, where today we're diving deep into EfficientNet, a model that's changing the game in image classification. Did you know this architecture scales both accuracy and efficiency simultaneously? By the end of this video, you'll be well versed in adapting EfficientNet to your specific datasets for superior performance. Stay tuned as we unravel the secrets behind fine-tuning this cutting-edge model. EfficientNet introduces a novel concept called compound scaling, which simultaneously scales the model's width, depth, and resolution. This method is pivotal in achieving a balance between computational demands and model accuracy. Unlike traditional models where scaling one dimension might lead to inefficiencies, EfficientNet's approach ensures that all three dimensions are optimized concurrently. Numerous studies have demonstrated how this leads to remarkable improvements in performance. Imagine being able to scale your model's accuracy without a proportional increase in computational load. This is a game changer, making EfficientNet the go-to model for many researchers and developers.
Before you can start fine-tuning EfficientNet, it's crucial to set up your environment correctly. We'll be using TensorFlow and Keras, so let's walk through the installation process. First, ensure your Python environment is up to date. Then, use pip to install TensorFlow, pip install TensorFlow and Keras. Compatibility is key, so verify that you're using compatible versions of both libraries. If you run into installation issues, don't worry. Common problems include network issues or conflicts with existing installations, which can often be resolved by creating a virtual environment. With these tools in place, you're ready to load EfficientNet and begin your journey.
Pre-trained models are a boon for anyone looking to expedite their projects. EfficientNet, loaded with pre-trained weights, allows you to leverage the learning of a model trained on millions of images. In TensorFlow, loading EfficientNet is straightforward. Simply call the model with the include_top parameter set to false if you plan to fine-tune the model for your specific tasks. These pre-trained weights mean your model already knows a great deal about various image features, giving you a significant head start. It's like standing on the shoulders of a giant, allowing you to focus on refining the model for your unique needs.
Your dataset is the foundation of your model's success. Start by collecting a diverse and comprehensive set of images that are well labeled for the task at hand. Next, apply data augmentation techniques to increase the variety of your training data. Techniques like rotation, flipping, and scaling can make your model more robust. Don't forget to normalize your images to ensure consistent input data. Finally, split your dataset into training and validation sets to evaluate your model's performance accurately. By meticulously preparing your dataset, you lay the groundwork for an efficient and accurate model.
EfficientNet's architecture is highly adaptable, allowing you to modify it to suit your classification needs. Begin by customizing the model's output by adding new layers using the Keras functional API. This might involve adding dense layers or dropout layers to improve your model's robustness. It's crucial to adjust the output layers to match the number of classes in your dataset. EfficientNet's flexibility ensures that these modifications can be seamlessly integrated, maintaining the model's efficiency. By tailoring the architecture, you ensure that the model is not just efficient but also highly relevant to your specific task. Transfer learning is at the heart of modern image classification, allowing you to build on existing knowledge. Start by freezing the convolutional base of EfficientNet to retain learned features. This involves setting the trainable attribute to false for these layers. You can then focus on fine-tuning specific top layers to adapt the model to your dataset. The training process involves compiling the model with an appropriate optimizer like Atom or SGD, and training it using your prepared dataset. The key is finding the right balance between preserving learned features and adapting to new data. Once you've trained your model with transfer learning, the next step is fine-tuning. Start by identifying which layers might benefit from further training. Incrementally unfreeze layers and gradually lower the learning rate to fine-tune the model. This approach allows you to adjust the model's parameters effectively. It's important to monitor the model's performance through validation metrics to ensure that the changes are beneficial. Additionally, implementing techniques like dropout can help prevent overfitting. Fine-tuning is where you can squeeze out every last bit of performance from your model, pushing it from good to great.
Evaluating your model is crucial to understand its strengths and limitations. Key metrics like precision, recall, and F1 score provide insights into the model's performance. A confusion matrix can help visualize where the model is making errors. It's essential to use a validation dataset to assess the model's generalization capabilities. If the model's accuracy isn't meeting expectations, revisit earlier steps such as data preparation or model modification. Understanding these metrics and limitations enables you to make informed decisions on further improvements or adjustments needed for deployment. Deployment is the final frontier where your model moves from development to real-world application. Begin by exporting your trained model in a format suitable for deployment, such as TensorFlow Saved Model. Use TensorFlow Serving to handle real-time data input and provide predictions. It's crucial to consider scalability to ensure your model can manage increased loads without performance degradation. Once deployed, continuous monitoring is essential to maintain model accuracy and efficiency. By effectively deploying your model, you ensure that all your hard work translates into tangible, real-world results.
Congratulations! You've now got a comprehensive understanding of how to fine-tune EfficientNet for image classification. Remember, this is just the beginning. There's a vast world of deep learning to explore, and we're here to guide you every step of the way. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and share your thoughts. Join our community for more insights and don't forget to vote on topics you'd like us to cover next. Together, let's continue to innovate and push the boundaries of what's possible with AI.